Former Umkhonto weSizwe Party youth leader Bonginkosi Khanyile is facing charges of contravening Riotous Assemblies Act and conspiracy to commit public violence for his threats in March to disrupt the May general elections. Khanyile had in March said there will be no elections without the MK party after the IEC wanted to bar its leader Jacob Zuma from contesting for a seat in the National Assembly due to his 15-month prison sentence for contempt of court. Khanyile at that time said if they remove MK and remove Zuma as the face of the campaign, there won't be elections in South Africa. Khanyile also faces charges for allegedly inciting violence and instigating the fatal July 2021 unrest. The former MK Youth League leader was arrested on Friday for his March remarks by the Hawks KwaZulu-Natal Crimes Against the State Unit. The Hawks spokesperson Colonel Katlego Mogale said the announcement also made connotations that the citizens of the country must gather together and loot the country as previously done in July 2021. A criminal case was reported at Brixton Police Station and Khanyile was arrested at the Durban Magistrates Court while appearing for the July 2021 matter. Khanyile is expected to return to the same court on September 23 for both cases after being released on bail. A month after threatening to disrupt the elections, Khanyile posted a video on social media in which he said he was a changed man who had stopped making reckless statements inciting violence. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.